Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete your Etoro account. In order to delete your Etoro account, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So it's a very simple process. In order to delete your Etoro account, you have to log in first thing, and once you're logged in by default, it's going to direct you to the home page. While you're on this page, you have to tap on the tab bar icon from the left hand side bar and go to settings or click on the gear icon. As you click on the gear icon, it's going to take you to this page where you need to click on the menu bar. From the menu, you have to go and tap on the accounts button. And you have to scroll down a bit until you see this option as click here to close your Etoro account. Click on it. You to give a reason why you're actually leaving or why you're actually deleting your account. So go ahead and select the arrow icon and select the category accordingly. As you're done selecting the category, it's going to ask you to select the issue in a detailed information, so go ahead and select that and click on continue. And if you're sure about it, then tap on the close account after that. So go through the information and click on the confirm button, and then you have successfully deleted your Etoro account. So that's basically how you can delete your Etoro account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.